So, good day everyone. Our topic is the use of manipulative. Our objective, develop a manipulative to aid mathematical instruction. In the introduction, mathematical is an abstract subject which is the reason why many students find it difficult. It means that mga gipamubo nga mga pag-solve solution sa math which that's why many students gusto din sila sa pagsabot sa math. So, one way to concretize mathematics, especially for the young learners, is through the use of manipulative. Para mas masabtan pa ng mga students, especially mga young learners, adto na masud si manipulative. So, what is manipulative? Manipulative are concrete objects like blocks, tiles, and geometric figures that students can interact with in order to develop conceptual understandings of mathematical concepts. So, ang manipulative ay pwede ra nato mahawakan, mamove, makit-an, like the example na nakasuwat sa PPT which is ang blocks, tiles, and mga geometric figures. The use of manipulative is not all new. Manipulative have helped people learn mathematics since ancient times. So in ancient times, Chinese had abacus and Incas used knotted string called kipo to aid in counting. In the example above, Chinese had the abacus and katong ang Incas or called kipo mao na ilang gigamit for counting. And in modern times, educators Frederick Froebel and Maria Montessori were the one who advanced the use of manipulative in a classroom instruction. So si Frederick Froebel and Maria Montessori sila ang unang nag-use ng manipulative sa classroom instruction then. Next, in the present times or this DepEd includes manipulative in the math curriculum. So, ang DepEd gi-include ang manipulatives in the math curriculum pod.
So, when we use manipulative in teaching math, we need to follow some guidelines so that the student learn effectively. So, number 1, let student play and explore first. Students should be given time to explore and play with it so they be familiar before starting the activity. And number 2, give clear instruction. The teacher should be given a clear and specific instruction and state the goal of the activity. And number 3, encourage mathematical discussion while the students are working. The teacher should be listen how they talk about math and use their ideas to guide or enrich the class discussion. And lastly, number 4, guide struggling student with question. If some students have difficulty, the teacher should be asked guiding question like how and why. This helps students to think deeper and find their own way to understand. And next, mini manipulative are commercially available. The most common examples are base 10 blocks, geoboard, play money, and paper clock. So, instead of only solving problem on paper, mas maayo kuno ang student makita ug magunita nila ang concept. So, this makes learning easier and more enjoyable. So, we have here an example which is play money. Students use play money to learn about counting, adding, subtracting, and even making change. And the other example which is geoboard. Used for exploring properties of plane figures such as shape, parameter, and area. And now, let's proceed here to do it yourself. So I have here a DIY protractor by following this step on how to make, which is number 1, print out the following on a heavy-duty paper or a piece of cardboard. So I print the protractor and I attach here the illustration board. And number 2, use a circular fastener to attach the arrow to protractor. Make sure that the arrow is. So this is the arrow and I attach the circular fastener here in the center so that the arrow can freely move. And next, how to use. Number 1, align the straight part of the protractor to the inclined surface. And number 2, allow the arrow to fall. Number 3, the measure to which the arrow point to is the measure of the angle of. So in the example above, and the angle of inclination is 60 degree. So now the student will have an idea of how. So which is, this is a 60 degree. So there have a three types of angle, which is acute angle, right angle, and obtuse angle. The acute angle is a less than of 90. It look like small or sharp. And the right angle, which is mo ni siya ang nasa center, which is number 90. It look like a corner of a square. And the obtuse angle, this is a greater than of 90. It look like wide or open. Yes. So the example of the 60 na belong siya sa acute angle. If kini na pod maputang na pod ni siya dito sa center, which is mo ni siya ang right angle. And if maari na pod sa largest, ona na siya ang obtuse angle.
So overall, manipulative have long been used to facilitate learning mathematics. So dugay na jud gigamit ang manipulative, especially in a classroom instruction in math. Although many students are available in the market. So pwede na jud nato siya mapalit makitaan sa market. But nothing beats the manipulative created by the teacher who knows exactly what his or her students need. So mas maayo jud if kanang ang teacher ang himo kay hibaw siya unsay mga needs sa mga students. So, manipulative helping students to acquire a deeper understanding of mathematics. Especially, the teachers also help improve his or her future lessons. So, that will be all. Thank you for your listening.